Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's go to analyze the market. This is USD CHA pair. Okay, uptrend market. Okay, there is no opportunity. Okay, this is uptrend market. Some head and shoulder pattern. So I will expect it more down. So I will try to place a lower option. Some marginal safety trade. Okay, I will place a lower option. And this is seller's area, strong buyer's entry, and this buyer's entry again, make a seller's entry. This is a head and shoulder pattern, so I will expect it more down. It's not make a retracement candle. Why? Because some buyer's entry point at here, next buyer's entry point. This is a very strong candle, so this strong candle not make a very retracement candle. So that's the reason I will place a lower option, at least make a weak bearish candle. Okay, let's see the result. And this is uptrend market. After see the head and shoulder pattern. Okay, this is a winning trade. I will check the next pair. Okay, this is a very strong buying force. Okay, I will place a higher option. And this uptrend market, this is a very strong buying force, and this is a minor level. Okay, so next seller's entry point at here, but I will expect it candle make a bullish candle, and this is a very strong buying force at the uptrend market, but little bit late entry. Okay, 10 seconds more. Okay, this is also winning trade. I'll check the next pair. And this is a very strong bullish candle. Okay, I'll place a lower option, some marginal safety trade. Okay, I will place a 2 trades from lower option. Why? Because some sellers area at here, so this is a very strong rejection, so that's the reason I will place a lower option. But this is a very strong momentum, giving a one more opportunity, and this also very strong sellers area, and this is a round number, so that's the reason I will place a lower option. You can see very strong sellers entry. Okay, this is also winning trade. Okay, I'll check the next pair. Okay, there is no opportunity. This market is not good. Okay, this is also same situation. I will use the trend lines, and this is a trend line. Okay, very strong buyer's entry. Okay, I will try to place a retracement candle, but this is a very strong buyer's entry. Sometimes it's make a weak bullish candle, and next level at here there is a gap. Okay, there is a 50-50 chances, and these sellers touch this level, I will place a try to higher option, but it's going more up. Okay, there is no opportunity. Okay, this is a very strong momentum. Okay, I will place a higher option. Okay, I will place a higher option. This candle closing point at the resistance level, and this resistance level turn into a support level. So that's the reason I will place a higher option. But there is a 50-50 chances. This is a very strong candle. Sometimes it's break the level. Why? Because this is some consolidation area, not a strong trend. Okay, it's going more up. Okay, 10 seconds more. Okay, this is also winning trade. I'll check the next pair. Okay, this is a very strong buyer's entry, again strong seller's entry. So there is a 50-50 chances. There is a level. It's break the level. Next level at here. But there is no confront. Middle of the trend. Okay, I will place a higher option, some marginal safety trade, and there is a level. So I will expect that candle make a rejection candle or make a bullish candle. This is a very strong level. Okay, it's break the level. Okay, there is no respect at this candle, and this okay, I will try to recover this trade. I will choose the good level. Okay, there is a level. Okay, I will place a higher option. Okay, very good entry point. This is a very strong buyer's entry, and It's a retracement candle, this type of situation, but still there is no rejection from sellers. This is a very strong buying pressure, so that's the reason I will place a higher option. This total area is buyer's area. Okay, let's see. 5 seconds more. Okay, this is also winning trade. Okay, I will place a 5 trades, all are winning trades, and this one trade is places 3 trades. Okay, I hope if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you are interested, joining my Telegram course. Okay, thank you.